Hey everyone, it's Daniel Eats World, and right now I'm outside Rise Bakery in Dijp. They have a 4.9 rating with almost 400 reviews on Google, so I'm excited to try their pastries. Let's go. So I'm a little late. They open at 8 a.m., but very nice inside. If you want to sit down and enjoy their breads or their pastries and their coffees, very relaxing vibes in here. They have a variety of stuff: vegan energy balls, red velvet, olive oil, cake. Oh, their chocolate almond croissant looks really good. Croissants, pain au chocolat, cautious slices. All right, I'm outside. I'm gonna try their pain au chocolat, the chocolate croissant, and let's see how it tastes. Perfect crispy on the outside, just amount of chocolate. Definitely one of the better ones I've had. Yeah, I can't wait to try the sourdough at home. I'm gonna make some sandwiches and I will do a little recording of that later, but if you're in the Pijp area, come early and get the pastries at Rise Bakery. So good.